In our class. Okay, because of course you are busy with the things that you will be doing in the US. And of course, don't forget to enjoy. Yes. We could not have, maybe there are different time frame because uh, when at the US daytime, it is a night time here in the Philippines. Not unlike uh, in Vietnam, we have a same time. Yes, so that is the yes, so that is so there are so different time frame. We will adjust it. We could not have our class by then. But of course, also because also you could not also attend because you are so busy. Maybe you have an hectic schedule. Yes, 11 p.m. Yes. And of course, you need to relax also because you need to also take an advantage of your business tour, right? Them. You cannot. But I'm pretty sure that you will be given for a day that you can roam around and visit places there in the US because that is a rare chance or opportunity to travel in the US. So I think they will give you fine time to just explore the place. Do you have your colleagues with you? Do you have colleagues joining with you? Colleagues. Colleagues, yes. Chicago. Wow. I'm pretty sure that she has a time to be with you, accompany you. Ah, in Illinois. State, yes. Different state. Same. Yes, sightseeing. Of course, you need to explore also because that is a rare chance. You can never tell when is the next thing that you can go to the US, of course. So, you need to maximize your time to explore and to enjoy, right? Wow. So, I expectation, yes. They have I think so that you could have that because you are very hardworking and you are so flexible. That is a challenge with you also, right, Veggie? It is a big challenge. Wow. Will travel. Of course, there is someone to accompany you, right? There is also someone who will guide you throughout your travel there. Yes. Is that a connecting flight? Yes. Yes. And they will transfer. Yes. I see. I see. Different airlines. I see. Yes, yes, yes. There are two different airlines. Japan. Is there any chance that you can go outside to roam around just for a couple of hours? Wow. So, yes, might as well have the chance to uh, I see. So you are not allowed. You are only have US visa. So might as well you will just sleep for that hours and wait for your flight. Mm. Yes, that could not also be the hello, Peggy. Hello. Hello. Okay, it's okay. So it means that you will just stay in the airport and wait for your flight. Yeah, I see. Travel. Yes. Wow. Yes, it's a long. So one day will be just minus with your stayed in US. Okay. Wow, that's great. So, hope that you will be good at your travel and hope that you will be having a bring your company proud of you. But you have your coat, right? You just bought some coat. Yes, you need also to have a good vitamins because you may get an adjustment with the weather and it may cause you maybe sun flu or you could have a fever if a worst case, right? Because your body will adjust to the weather. Mhm. But you're prepared because yes, of course. Everything you are prepared because you bring necessary things for you in your flight. You have your coat, right? So you can survive with that and you will be successful with that endeavor. Wow. Yes. Wow. Thank you. 16th. Okay. Wow. Yes, so let's start. Yes, let's start with our lesson. So you're now with the lesson 33. So this one is starting a conference call. Okay. So you will start a conference call. You know that also you are familiar with this one, right? Because you are doing it with your company, a conference call. Okay, so yesterday you just learned about what is our business email. Okay, so this one is group call. When we say conference, means it is a group of people. So it could be also in some platform such as Skype or other platform that you can have come to come. Okay, so it is a group call that uh, you can. It is in a real time that you can raise your concern at once. Okay, but uh, through a platform in the internet. Okay, so let us have this one, the conference conversation. It's between Tom, Diane, John, Karen, and Robert that take part in telco. Okay, so there is a recorded voice. Okay, you will be the one to have the recorded voice. Tom Field. Hi, John Carter. Here. Hello, Tom. Hi there. I'm sitting here with Karen. Okay. Morning, Tom. Hello, Karen. Hi, John. I'm not calling from the office because I'm working at home today. But Diane will call in a minute together with Robert Holden. You want to ask him about the X root system for the accounting department. Hello, Diane and Robert here. No problem. We'll start now. Okay, so this one is the conference. So there is a platform that you could enter. So you could have a lot of people to join your conference and to have the conversation. Okay, they will just enter in that class. It is a conference. Okay, so now we will now read the conversation again and answer the question. So what is the first question? Yes, they need to have a conference. They need to have called up Colfin conference, and they need to have it found sign. Okay, So that is the way that they can enter the conference room or conference call. Yes. Yes, he is calling at home. So Tom is in his house at home. Next, who is late? Yeah, Diane and Robert. Okay, next. Okay, same place with Karen. So they are at home. Yes, Tom is at home. And Karen and Robert are the same places. Yes, the system or the recording, the one that have the recording voice or the system. Okay, so that is the conference call. So when you have your conference call, anyone can enter, but of course they need to also be permitted by the the one that is operating the conference. So if they will allow, for example, this recording voice will allow them to just enter to that conference call. What link? Okay, so there is a notification first. You will notify that link or confirmation, right? Yes, so yes, that is very useful because you could have it a lot of person in one conference call, right? Even if you have in a other country, for example, we are three in the conference call. I'm from the Philippines and you from Vietnam, and the other one is from the US. But we can join at one conference call. So that is very convenient, right, for us. So that is technology wise. I see. It is most likely effective rather than the email because you can raise your concern at once and address it the concerns that you have. Wow. Yeah, so that is also have the negative part or the disadvantage when there are a lot of person in the conference. So you cannot have the chance whether to speak up. Who will go first, right? So you don't have the queue who wants to go first to talk. Yes, that is also the disadvantage. Yes, the connection also. Sometimes you are lagging and you could not hear what they are saying also. So you are be left or you could not get the information. Okay, so here are the key phrases to start the telecom conference. Yes. Okay, you will just say uh, where is your place and also uh, who is with you. Okay, you could have, okay, who is in our conference, but you could know that also because there are lists of name that is included in the conference, right? So you could know the name. I see. Yes. At it just like it's blinking. Is that the indication? I see. I see. Maybe if you are in the US, you could have that conference call, right? You will report here in Vietnam. You will be reporting here in Vietnam and you will have your conference call. Yes. I see. So not all the time. It is not very often because there are a lot of ways, right, to communicate. You could have it in the messenger or in your cell phone. Oh, email. Ah, yes, because it is not so, that is informal, right? So it is just a social media. Yes. So it is not formal. Yes, yeah, you're right. It should be email. Yes.